Hello, dear students. Welcome you all to the 32nd lecture of macroeconomics. And today we are going to discuss a very important and very interesting topics under investment function, that is investment multiplier. So investment multiplier, the concept was given by Professor J.M. Keynes, and it attempts to quantify the additional effect of investment spending beyond those immediately measurable. Means the investment which you are doing today, its effect we are considering in the economy, and that is not immediate effect. Okay, so that could be the effect later on also, and the larger will be the investment multiplier, the more the investment will be effective in creating and distributing wealth through the economy. So basically, Keynes believed that initial increment in investment increase the final income by many times. Now, how it happens? So suppose, for instance, extra government spendings on road can increase the income of construction workers, and when they all workers are getting jobs, so their income will also increase, and at the same time income of material suppliers will also increase. So these people may spend extra income in the retail outlets, consumer goods and service industries, and it will boost the income of the workers in this sector. So you see that the small investment or the extra investment government done on road, so how it affects the other sectors of the economy also. So formula for multiplier, normally it is represented by K. It is the ratio of increase in national income due to increase in the investment. Means if small change in investment we are doing, small change in investment we are doing, how much our national income is increasing, the change in national income is coming, because of that it is called your multiplier K. Okay. So investment multipliers refers to the stimulative effect of public or private investment. So how the public and private investments, how much investment they are doing, and after that investment how much change is coming in the national income. So it is rooted in the economic theories of J.M. Keynes. Already we have discussed this. So there are two factors under that. One is marginal propensity to consume and marginal propensity to save. These two things already we have discussed when we was discussing the consumption function and saving function. So the higher the investment multiplier suggests that investment will have the higher stimulative effect in the economy. It means if more investment is coming, it means the national income will increase in a greater proportion. So we see the relation between multiplier and MPC first we will discuss, and then we will discuss the relationship between multiplier and MP as marginal propensity to save. So we know that at equilibrium, the income Y is the sum of consumption and investment that we have discussed earlier. So similarly, if we will say that there is a small change in income, so this equation delta both sides you will take. So delta Y equals to delta C and delta I for small changes in consumption and investment. So if you divide this equation both side by delta Y, it will be delta Y over Y equals to delta C over delta Y plus delta I over delta Y. This delta Y and delta Y will be cancelled. And you see this delta I over delta Y, that is the change in your income divided by investment. This formula in reverse way it is written over there, so it will be 1 over K. So we can, and it's delta C over delta Y is marginal propensity to consume. So this will be 1 equals to MPC plus 1 upon K. How it happened, I have explained it here. Delta Y over delta Y equals to 1. Delta C over delta Y will be your marginal propensity to consume, and delta I over delta Y is 1 upon K, reverse of a multiplier. So if you will solve this equation, you shift this K to left hand side. So and it will be K equals to 1 over 1 minus MPC. It means your investment multiplier or the multiplier will be K equals to 1 over 1 minus MPC. Similarly, the similar kind of relation we can find out for savings, marginal propensity to save also. So in this MPC, when we was discussing MPC and MPS, we have discussed this MPC plus MPS equals to 1. So 1 minus MPC will be your MPS. So K equals to 1 over marginal propensity to save. It means the value of multiplier can be known through either MPC or MPS. So totally we have three formulas for investment multiplier. First formula is K equals to delta Y over delta I. It means change in national income over change in investment. Another way we can write it, K equals to 1 over 1 minus MPC. And this 1 minus MPC we can write 1 over MPS, marginal propensity to save. So this is all about the multiplier. So let's say one example we will take, real world example. So consider the road construction work is workers in our previous example. So if the average workers at an MPC of 70%, it means they consume 70.70 of their that rupee which they are earning, they are spending on average as a consumption. So in practice, they might spend 0.70 rupees on items such as rent, kerosenes, groceries, entertainment. So if that the same worker had MPS 30%, because whatever is left, that will be your saving. So it means that 0.30 rupees he is spending on, they are saving it, okay, as an average. So these concepts also apply to the businesses, like individual business must consume a significant portion of their income by paying for expenditures such as employees' wages, facilities, rents, and other lease and receipts of the equipment. So a typical company might consume 90% of their income on such payments. Measuring its MPS, the profit earned by its shareholders would be 10%. Whatever left after consumption, that will be the profit. So the formula you can calculate 1 over 1 minus MPC. So from here you can get the multiplier value. Okay. So that is all for that investment multiplier. Once again, I am explaining multiplier. What is multiplier? Because it is an important concept. So this concept says that the change in investment have affects the national income by the greater proportion. Means the larger the investment you will do, the larger will be your national income. Okay, so investment is very important. And the example of road construction I gave you, how it improves the earning of wages earners or laborers, and how it increase the earning of industries also. So this is all from my side in this slide. Thank you, this topic. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any confusion, you can ping me on WhatsApp. I will solve your query there. Thank you. क्यों हंसा रही थी तुम?